In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping in GoDaddy. We're going to create a simple, customer-friendly free shipping option in your GoDaddy online store. This walkthrough focuses on clarity, so you'll know exactly where to click, what each page is for, and how your choice shows up for shoppers at checkout. Start on your GoDaddy dashboard and open your store by clicking Store. This takes you into the commerce area where you manage products, orders, and your storefront settings. If you're working with multiple sites, make sure you're in the correct store before moving on. Next, head into Settings. Think of this as your store's control center. Payments, taxes, checkout preferences, and shipping all live here, so changes you make in this section affect the entire shopping experience. Inside Settings, select Shipping. This page is dedicated to how you deliver orders and what customers will pay. You'll find different shipping types here, like carrier calculated rates, flat rates, and the one we're setting up now, free shipping. Choose Free Shipping. This option lets you offer a $0 shipping charge at checkout. It's great for promotions, for standard domestic deliveries, or whenever you want to keep things simple and appealing to customers. Click Add to start creating a new free shipping method. You're beginning a fresh entry, so nothing is live until you save. On the next screen, choose Add on Free Shipping. This opens the setup form specifically for a free shipping method, so you don't have to worry about carrier integrations or complex rate tables. Now, fill in the field labeled What Customers See. This is exactly how the option will appear at checkout. Keep it short and clear, like Free Standard Shipping or Free Shipping. If you want to set expectations, include a brief note in the same name, such as Free Standard Shipping 5 to 7 business days, as long as it stays readable. The goal is to make your choice obvious and reassuring, so shoppers understand what they're selecting. When you're satisfied with the name, click Save. Saving publishes the new option to your shipping methods. From now on, customers will see your free shipping label during checkout whenever it's eligible, based on your store's configuration. If you've set up other methods, GoDaddy will show them alongside this one, and customers can pick what works best for them. That's it. You've added a clean, professional free shipping option to your store. Clear labeling helps reduce cart abandonment and makes your checkout feel more trustworthy. Thanks for watching and happy selling!